not leaving it like this. I'm just gonna wait until I am dressed before I finish my hair. I'm gonna try to rush to do my makeup. Y'all, I am just a little too hungover right now. We're gonna make it work. Use my Hourglass concealer in Sepia. I'm gonna get this everywhere because I'm gonna kind of use this as like a foundation. So I want this to be all the lighter parts. And then my stuff is like, my makeup like sandy from the shoot I did the other day. I gotta clean everything. But there's a little bit of sand on this. I'm in such a rush. But I just dropped off Blue at the babysitter's, so I don't have to worry about him and he's gonna be fine. Just don't know where the next night is gonna take us. I forgot to put a primer on, but that's okay. We are gonna go in with NARS Bronzing Cream in Laguna 02. And we're gonna cut this face, baby. Yes. You guys, I am hurting. You can see it in my eyes. But we're gonna, damn it, can I close this? We're gonna do some eyebrows, you know? I'm gonna go in with my MAC brow pencil and taupe. This is like a really skinny little pen, perfect for like little hairs. See, so good. But I'm gonna try to define this. Okay, I'm pretty sure those don't match. I don't have time. Okay, we're gonna do the matte gold deposit. I wanna do like a warm golden look. So as fast as we can, I'm gonna go in with the same color here. And I'm gonna go pretty much all over my lid. And as fast as we can. All over my lid, yes. Now, I'm gonna take a smaller brush like this, same color. That. Now we are going to take Coffee Kitten palette and I'm gonna take my smudge brush, go here, and I'm gonna do like a dusty wing right now. And a little under. To the other side. I'm going in with my NYX brown eyeliner pen. I'm gonna get this wing going. Oh god, you guys, I'm not in the makeup mood. I'm not locked in. So this is gonna be interesting. Okay. Do the other one. Okay, we got a mean cat eye going. So I'm going to take just a little bit more of this and add it to the bottom. Now we're gonna do some mascara. I'm going with my Kill Lash by Clio Cosmetics. And this is a good tubing mascara. Oh, I hope I figure out my hair. I hope I figure out my hair. I'm gonna do my lips real quick. I'm gonna just take the excess of like my foundation brush. I haven't done this in a while. I used to do this all the time. I think I'm gonna just, do have strip. I'm gonna try Max Strip Down or Strip Tease. I've had it for so long, the label came off. Okay, and now I'm gonna do a little nose contour. I'm going with my Palladio brow powder and taupe. Wow. Bringing it up here to my brows. Hopefully that looks okay. I'm now gonna go in with my Kosas. Sorry, this is really bland. I'm trying to go as fast as I can and do this. Kosas powder. And Like I'm supposed to be there now. And it's an hour away. That's how late I am. Alright. Okay, we're gonna do a little here, a little bit of there, you know what I mean? I'm gonna add a little with just whatever brush I have right here. Adding some powder right here, just kind of set everything. And I want to add some shimmer, and we're gonna go in Ciate London highlighter. Where is my brush? Where is my brush? Here it is. And I'm just gonna highlight right here. Very nice and pretty. And then I have to take a brush like this, go in there, and we're gonna, I used to model, and I had a photo shoot one time a really long time ago, and they put highlighter in the inside of my eyes, and I was like in middle school. And then they put some foundation on my lips like this, and those were like two things that always stuck with me. And I remember like going like with my girlfriends at a sleepover and showing them, and they thought I was like psychotic. Just doing a little shimmer here, really brighten up the eye because it goes along with like the golden thing, you know. And then I'm trying to hurry, I'm trying to hurry. You know what, I think I'm gonna do, where is it? Ah, it's right here. My Hourglass palette in Ambient. I'm gonna go with these colors and a little of this one, and just add a little bit of colors to my cheeks. And a bit around nose, like that. You know what, I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer to kind of set in the contour the cream contour that I put on. Oh, and then eyebrow gel, which is right here. I'm going in with MAC's new brow gel. I think it's new. I didn't realize how out of, like, I was using my Benefit for so long. I didn't realize how empty it was. And I kept trying to tell myself that it wasn't. Until I got a new one from MAC, and it's so much better. Okay. Keep these crazy animals in place. Oh, lashes. Now for lashes, what am I gonna do? I didn't want to put like a little more mascara. Just a like really crappy mascara. That's gonna be great. Okay, now I'm gonna take my Ardell lashes in 318 and get some glue on there, and this is my Duo glue. I'm kind of nervous about my hair right now. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Okay, and I'm gonna take my 318 lashes. Do I want to do the whole lash? I think I'm gonna do a whole lash, or the whole half lash. And I get some glue on there. I hope this looks okay. Now I'm gonna, come on, baby. Please look cute, because I don't want to keep working on you. Perfect, I think. Yes, it's a little outside of my eye, but it's fine. I'm gonna do some mascara on my bottom lashes, going in with Kill mascara. Actually, I'm gonna add a little more. I'm gonna add a little more eyeshadow with this in here, like that. Now I'm gonna take my mascara and add it to my bottom lashes. Kind of blend these lashes together. Okay, I'm gonna finish getting ready, and then I'm gonna see what this looks like. I'm gonna also spray my face right now with Ciate London watermelon face spray. Okay, let's get dressed. got my little dress on. I'm gonna add a little bit of my MAC. I hope I don't get on my chest, even though it's just bound. And then I'm gonna use my new necklace that I love, that I got on Amazon. As always. I'm gonna add a little more color to my lip too. But in the meantime, this is the necklace. Like for some reason, it's giving me like a little like coastal look. And Nobu, if you know, in LA, is on the beach. It's beautiful. I can't wait to get some videos. Then my grandma's bracelet, and then another bracelet that I own. I'm gonna wear these. And earrings. I'll figure this out. Earrings, I might. My place is a disaster. Right, there's just shit everywhere. I think I'm just gonna wear these. Okay, so I think maybe these earrings, they're kind of like not. I should put more hair back, or do we like this like little hair in front? Maybe let's just pin more hair back like that. Okay, my hair is gonna be like this. It's not my favorite, but it's okay. I'm gonna bring this clip for some reason, just in case. These bobby pins are not holding up, but I just also added a shitload of bobby pins to my little clutch. We got like a little gold thing going on, as always. For sunglasses, very important. I'm gonna wear these shoes from Amazon. And then I think I'm gonna wear these glasses. Ooh, it's messing up my hair. Maybe I'll leave this open. Maybe I get a little spicy. Ignore my mess in my place. Okay, I'm about to call the Uber. I'm definitely bringing my camera and my flash. And then for makeup, I'm gonna grab my powder, my lip liner, all that jazz. Okay, we just picked up this hottie. Ooh, I love it. I love it. We're glowy legs.